Well, people, let's go to see how work the signature inside the software. This is the tablet, right? Well, we saw how it work in the web, but in the tablet you can go over here. You can see here, and you can say, look at this. This is the consent, right? Look at this. No, we don't have the sign already inside the document, but let's go to sign up, and we have the pencil, or do you want with the finger, right? And once it's ready, do you want clean up, or and you doing again? Okay. Ready? And you save. We're going to say yes, and then look at this. The document is already signed. Right? And just wanted to show you how to work the sign inside the software and in the tablet. Look at this with this pencil. So really nice. Well, see you around.